The name's Betty, Jag Betty, and today I'm hoovering my car. Have you got a nest over there? Folks, that's it. The car is clean, washed thoroughly. That was £4 that cost me, so it's not too bad really. That's the car polished, hoovered, and more or less that's it, bang on clean now. Excellent. Right, I was a bit sore on my shoulder, mind you. Oh yeah, but hey ho. Oh, there we go. Get back around the right way. There we are. Okay, what's next? I've just got a polish inside the car now. I've got the polish here, so give that a wee polish, and that'll be the car done today. Excellent. Well, I'm on yellow, folks. I am on yellow. So, okay. These are Alright folks, that's the tyres done. Now when we got the tyre machine just there, where is it? There it is. It was set at, you can either have PSI, oh sorry mate. What's up sir? Yeah, okay, I'll just for 2 seconds mate, okay, no problem. I'm almost away, calm down mate, I'm almost away. Goodness me, Christ, calm down mate. So yeah, I better get going I suppose. So it was at 32 PSI. I'll explain later. But as I was saying before, I was so rudely interrupted by that old git. Honestly, he knocks on the window. I need to pump on my tyres. I said, yeah, okay, man, that'll be 2 minutes. They gotta move on then. I thought, oh, calm down, you old git. Right, anyway, so that's the tyres done. Anyway, the tyre machine, it's got 2 settings. You can either have it for PSI or KRB or something. I don't know what I was, but I was set for KRB. Now I always have 32 for all my tyres, so I set for 32, but it's going 3.2, 3.20. I thought that's a bit odd. So anyway, I put my car on the tyre. I was going for ages. I thought this is not right. So I stopped and went over and looked, and I realised you had to press the thing to change it from PSI to KRB or whatever. So anyway, I put it back onto PSI, and it was 32. So, but I think I maybe overblew my tyre a wee bit. Anyway, we're done, and that's it done. Just got some polishing to do, and that's it, folks. That's it. There we go. Polish me. I'll polish my camera while I'm here. Right, folks. Just reading here in this book about some stone circles there at Kilmartin, which sounds really, really interesting to go and see. But Kilmartin, I just checked it on the map. It's a 3-hour drive. A 3-hour drive, man. I don't know if I could do that. Bro and I, could be a massive road trip. It's way over in Argyll, this one, so unless we get up, 6 o'clock in the morning, just go for it. We could be there for 9 o'clock and explore the place. It's got lots of stone circles. The earliest is a Neolithic chambered tomb called Netherlargy South, with 6 other coffins, linear cemeteries. Oh my goodness me! It sounds like an awesome spiz, man. That's got to be done. That's got to be done, man. I've got to get there. So what book is this I'm reading? Ancient Scotland. So that's what it is, and I've written it all down in my notebook. So would you understand that? Would you be able to read that? Can you read that? Oh well, I don't know. So anyway, I'm just looking to see what map it's on. I said it should be on Loch Gilphead map 51, so hopefully we have that map in amongst this massive collection of maps that my dad gave me. Well, folks, so here we are. This is Saturday night now, and it's raining again. Raining. It just rains all the time now in Scotland, man. It seems to be in some sort of, we're caught in a vortex of rain and thunder and just lightning and everything going on there, man. So I'm going to work. I found this book, Toadstools. Found it in the house, man. I've been looking through my bookcase, going through old books, and maybe just throwing some out or giving some away or whatever. And I found this thing that said, I found a mushroom. I was away in Brighty Woods back in there, look. Where's that there? Where can you see it? Sorry, where is it? There. I saw that mushroom in Brighty Woods, 10th of the 11th of 14. That was 5 years ago. I came upon that Jesus winter hygrophoric mushroom. Weird. Anyway, so I've got this book. I can keep it in the car now because that's quite handy for fungi. Because you know how bro likes his fungi. Right, talking of fungi, we're going to go and get something to eat now. But it won't be something fungi based. It'll be something chicken based with some sort of special coating on it. You know. Here we go. This is what I've got. I've got myself a fillet burger. So I'm hoping it's kind of like got pepper sauce on it. You know, like the old. Oh, it does. I think. Oh yes, look at that. Well, that looks good, man. It's got the pepper sauce. Yes, get in. Good choice, Jack. Good choice. And we've also got some chips. And they said the salt and pepper was in there with it. So there we go. There's that the salt. What's that? A pinch of salt. There we go. So got a pinch of salt over the chips. The chips have all fallen out of the bag, but that's okay, man. Just bung them back in. So that's tonight's tea sorted, folks. Basically, I was going to go for the 2-piece chicken meal, but I changed my mind. I was going to have a zinger, but then I thought, no. I'm sure the fillet burger will have that pepper sauce and that I like, so that's what we went for. And I think it was a good choice. So I'm going to enjoy this. And I shall read about mushrooms and toadstools as we eat. So there it is, folks. There's the pepper sauce I was talking about at the bottom. Lovely jubbly. I like the chips. They've got like the skin-on chips. They're really nice. Well, folks, on the foodometer, the takeaway-ometer, that fillet burger, that was really nice. The roll was nice and soft. The fillet burger was had a nice big, thick bit of chicken, nice soft fillet. Had a nice bit of a bed of lettuce and that pepper sauce kind of thing. The chips were fine. They were nice and cooked well. They were hot. And the Pepsi's nice. Can't fault it, folks. It's going to have to get. I'm going to have to give it. Where's the box? Here we are. We're going to have to give that, folks. Here we go. Wait for it. We're going to give it an 8. An 8 out of 10. Fantastic. Well done. KFC. That was really tasty, man. I must admit. Enjoyed that. The rain, folks, is just relentless today. Puddles everywhere. Floods. Oh dear. See you, mate.
Walking fast, walking fast, walking very fast. 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 Walking fast, walking fast.
I don't know what it looks up when the rain comes on. It's the weirdest thing ever, man. As if the rains are going to come through. There is actually a hole in the back of the bingo on the roof, and it used to drip down and dick. It was like Chinese water torture. And then I had to put a bucket with some blue roll in it, you know, to soften the noise, but it would still go dick. So eventually they just sorted it by putting a corrugated iron thing across it, but it's still, sometimes you can still hear it. Sometimes it's still hearable. Anyway, right, we're going home, folks, in this awful weather.